I've talked about this with Mark, that it's kind of like, it feels like the universe is a fractal of, it's like a fractal model. So like whenever you zoom in somewhere and there's the same kind of things, it's slightly different, but it's the same kind of models that you see interacting and playing out new things.
And maybe especially the same types of constraints, like some constraints that take a system away from equilibrium, like gradients, like fields that take systems away from equiprobability. Those are, a gradient makes a state space improbable. Everything's not equally probable throughout the space.
Yeah.
And then what I call context-dependent constraints, of which enabling constraints are one variety, and those are the ones that link together and make one conditionally probable on another. So they all of a sudden get linked probabilistically. So given that this has happened, this is more likely to happen, or given that this is the case, this won't happen at all. Those are context-dependent constraints that then start creating a rugged landscape, meaning some things become more probable in these boundaries, other things become less probable in these boundaries. So I've tried to apply that throughout the cosmos, from the abiotic through living things into the social system, at least to suggest that this is a one way of looking at things.